Hello everyone, in this C# video we're going to be going over how to take user input by reading different data types. In this episode we will learn how to take user input in C# for various data types including integers, floating point numbers, characters, strings, and booleans. We will then print the collected information in the formatted sentence. By the end of this video you will be able to gather data from users and display it efficiently. So let's go over with our concept overview. In C#, user input is commonly read using the console.readLine method. However, readLine always returns a string, so we will need to convert the input to the appropriate data type using methods like int.parse for integers, double.parse for floating point numbers, char.parse for single characters, and bool.parse for Boolean values. We will demonstrate how to take input for each data type and print a sentence using the collected values. So let's take a look at our example code. The point of this code is going to be just to read some information and then print out a sentence summarizing what the user entered. So first, taking string input, uses console.readLine to read the name as a string. We don't need to do any parsing here because readLine always takes in things as a string. It stores the result in the string variable name. Next, we're taking integer input. We're using console.readLine to read a string and then int.parse to convert it to an integer. And then we're storing the result in the variable age. Next, we're taking double input using console.readLine followed by double.parse to read and convert the input. Next, we're taking in the character input. We are using console.readLine followed by char.parse to convert the first character of the input and stores the result in the variable initial. Taking Boolean input, we're using console.readLine followed by bool.parse to convert the input to a Boolean value, and we're storing the result in the variable isStudent. And then last we are using console.writeLine to print out a sentence, a formatted sentence using string interpolation. As you can see, we're using the $sign here, followed by the everything in the sentence. So we're not using the plus operator this time, but instead we're storing the variables in curly braces. So hello name, that's going to be whatever the user inputs, no curly braces with that. Note that the curly braces are in purple and the rest of the string is in green. So it will print out exactly that sentence, but replacing the curly brace parts with what the user enters. So let us run this on that run. It'll take a second, but then it's going to prompt us to enter your name. So it's not going to do anything as long as I don't enter something. But let me enter my name, and then you have to click enter. Asks me for my age, so I will do 23. And you enter your height in feet. I will do 6.1. Enter your initial. I'll just do K. And then a student. I am still a student, so true. So summary. Hello, Kyle. Again, no curly braces. Your initial is K. You're 23 years old. Your height is 6.1 feet. And it is true that you're a student. So, as some key takeaways, we use console.readLine, which is opposite of writeLine, obviously, to take input from the user. We then convert the input to the desired data type using methods like int.parse, double.parse, and etc. We use char.parse to extract a single character from a string. We use bool.parse to interpret user input as a Boolean value. and we use string interpolation with the dollar sign and then the double quotes following that for efficient formatting and printing of variables. So it takes up a lot less characters than using the plus. So I hope this video was informative. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.